Where would you go to buy your first crypto? A bank? A website? Or maybe an ATM? Buying digital assets might sound complicated, but it's actually much easier than you think. Hey, I'm Stasha from SwapSpace Academy, and today we'll explore the main ways to purchase crypto, plus a simple step-by-step guide to buying it on SwapSpace. Let's start with exploring the main ways people buy their first crypto. First, centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, beginner-friendly, but you trust the platform with your money. Binance alone has over 170 million users worldwide, proof that centralized exchanges are where most beginners start. Second, decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Here you trade peer-to-peer and keep full control of your funds. Third, peer-to-peer deals, where you connect directly with another person, usually through special marketplaces. And finally, crypto ATMs. Yes, they exist. In cities from Miami to Hong Kong, you can insert cash or a card and instantly buy Bitcoin. Today, there are more than 35,000 ATMs worldwide. That's more than Starbucks locations in the US. Lots of choices, right? But here's the trick. You don't need to sign up everywhere. That's where aggregators come in. Comparing platforms and rates can be messy. SwapSpace makes it simple. No sign up, no personal data, just pick the coin you want, and SwapSpace instantly shows you the best rates from more than 40 trusted partners. This means you save time, avoid hidden fees, and get top-level security since all the partners are verified. Okay, so how do you actually buy your first crypto on SwapSpace? Let's walk through it. Here's how to buy crypto with Fiat right on SwapSpace. 1. Choose your currency. Say USD in USend and BTC in UGet. Enter the amount and click View Offers. 2. Pick a provider. Then enter your Bitcoin wallet address carefully. 3. Complete identity verification, standard for buying with Fiat. 4. Add your payment details, usually a credit card. 5. Once processed, your BTC is sent straight to your wallet in minutes. Easy, right? But SwapSpace also gives you some extra perks. Join our loyalty program, climb levels with each swap, and earn up to 50% of the revenue share while you trade. Seems like you're ready to buy your first crypto, but let's check your knowledge with a quick quiz. Here are 3 statements, which are true and which are false. Buying crypto on a decentralized exchange means you keep control of your funds. On SwapSpace, you must create an account first. Crypto ATMs let you buy Bitcoin with cash. 1. True. That's the whole point of decentralized exchanges. 2. False. No registration needed on SwapSpace. 3. True. Crypto ATMs exist worldwide. Nice job. So, which platform would you choose to buy your crypto? Let us know in the comments. In the next lesson, we'll talk about effective investment portfolio management. So hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us, and see you soon.